Hey, Marie, here's that tornado watch where tornadoes are most likely this evening. Through 8 p.m. from Aurora down to Morris and areas westward, tornadoes are possible. In Chicago, they're not impossible, but we're not in the most likely area this evening. Here we are on a rainy day. Light to moderate rain from Chicago into Indiana. The most concerning storms that we've seen, nothing severe nor tornadic yet, but these exiting Elgin and moving toward Lake County, Illinois. We've got some cloud-to-ground lightning, some heavy rain, and also persistent weak rotation right over Elgin. This is not enough for a tornado warning, but as it moves northeastward toward Barrington Hills, we are watching it for the potential of a tornado warning being issued. That's round one that we're watching already in our area. Round two is west of the Mississippi, still yet to come. With temperatures in the 70s, even in Chicago, the ingredients are in place. Let's get you over to Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon for a look at how this evolves through the rest of the night.
So we're thinking now through 6 o'clock, David, the next 2 hours, we'll have these thunderstorms you were just mentioning. Western suburbs continue to move eastbound with some rotations. We're keeping an eye on a tornado threat through 6 o'clock. It's really 6 o'clock to 11 p.m. That may be the main event, with additional activity, as David mentioned, coming in out of Iowa that moves into our area. That's going to be moving into an environment that is going to be more conducive to a tornadic development. These will be scattered severe thunderstorms through 11 p.m. Tornadoes, that's the primary threat. Wind gusts, though, potentially as high as 75 miles per hour with some of these thunderstorms, and hail as large as eggs. So anywhere from golf ball to egg-sized hail around 2-inch in diameter. Look at the model picking up on these thunderstorms in the western suburbs now, moving eastbound through 6 o'clock. Maybe a little bit of a lull, 6:30, 7:30, but then additional thunderstorms come on in. Any of these thunderstorms this evening, that's 9 o'clock, could be rotating, could produce a tornado, and also could be producing damaging winds and large hail. Beyond 11 p.m., things start to wind down. We have rotation right now in Kane County, and we're on it right now with the Mobile Weather Lab. Let's go to meteorologist Kylie Miller. And Kylie, you're chasing that storm. What are you seeing?
Yeah, so we're seeing the skies darkening. So we started moving into DeKalb County and then looked at the rotation. So then we changed direction. So here's a look at my point of view from the Mobile Weather Lab. We are headed towards Lily Lake, following the tail end of that line of storms. Again, we are in Kane County. You can see that there's ponding out on the roadways. We've been watching the roads, and they've been flooded in certain areas, especially for DeKalb. But we're going to continue to monitor this very closely, still heading off towards the east. Then we're going to be taking a northerly jog following the tail end of that line of rain showers and thunderstorms. We're going to be keeping, a very close eye on everything here in the Mobile Weather Lab. And of course, David and Albert, you're in the studio doing the exact same. We're starting to get in some rainfall now. So Maria, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio.